it's Laura Sterckx here from makingcardsissun.com and welcome to another video tutorial here at the Tonic Studios blog and YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a quick and easy gift box featuring the Winter Wonderland Christmas Bauble set. Let's get started. This project obviously requires a lot of die cutting, so I went ahead and die cut most of the elements before filming this video. So here's the set, and I started out by die cutting the main panel twice out of foiled Kraft cardstock from the Craft Perfect range from Tonic. Then I die cut the little frames for our gift box 8 times. So I die cut the scalloped rectangle using Craft Perfect smooth white cardstock. I die cut the Christmas tree rectangle using Ruby Ritz glitter card, and as you can see, I assembled these two dies together using some washi tape, so you don't have to die cut the rectangle separately and then die cut the Christmas trees afterwards. For the triangles, I used silver screen glitter card and white cardstock from Craft Perfect. I'm adhering my little frames using the Tonic Studios Nouveau Deluxe Adhesive, and I'm also using my tweezers to carefully position these together since these are such intricate die cuts. Don't worry if you spill some liquid adhesive because this dries clear, so you don't have to worry about that. Now that I assembled all of these rectangles and triangles, it's time to adhere them on the main piece of my gift box or Christmas bauble. I'm adhering them using the same Tonic Studios Deluxe Adhesive. And I'm using these dies to create a little gift box, but obviously you can also use them to create your very own Christmas ornament. Perhaps you could even create a very unique Tonic Studios Christmas ornament using the signature colors. So now that I adhered all of the frames, it's time to start folding. First, you just have to follow all those score lines and fold them. So it's quite easy actually. So you just follow the score lines to fold all of these little pieces. Now the little triangle score lines actually need to be folded to form valleys and the rest as mountains. So you have to kind of squeeze those triangles in order to create a nice crease or fold. So you just have to kind of play around with these dies and follow the score lines. If you do that, nothing wrong can happen. There are also some really handy instructions on the Tonic Studios website on how to assemble these little projects, so make sure to check that out. Because to be honest, I'm not very good at creating these 3D projects using these very intricate dies, but this actually went smoother and easier than I expected. So I'm repeating the same steps for the two main pieces of my gift box, and now that I've followed all of the score lines, I'm going to adhere some double-sided adhesive to these little score lines. I'm using the thinnest double-sided adhesive I've had in my stash, and I'm using my scissors to trim that down a little bit. Then you need to make sure that you really burnish that adhesive so it's nice and sticky. So I repeated this step for the two main pieces of this box, and then when you peel off the backer sheet, you can perfectly line up those two pieces, so then it forms one large piece. So again, I'm using my bone folder to burnish that adhesive, and then I'm going to repeat that step for the second part of this box. So I'm removing the liner paper, and then I can position and line that up perfectly. So we're almost there. We have to create a little bottom for our gift box. So I'm using some more of that double-sided adhesive, and I'm going to carefully line up those two little squares to form the bottom of my gift box. So as you can see, these two line up perfectly. For the two other pieces, I'm also going to use double-sided adhesive, and then you just kind of need to squeeze your little box so you can adhere that bottom part on the other bottom part. So there you go. Now that I did that, it's time to adhere the final piece on the bottom, and then we are almost finished with this box. To create the opening at the top of this box, I'm going to squeeze those two sides together and then feed them through one of the slits. So it's really easy, and this also makes it easy to use these dies as a gift box since you can just open them very easily. I wanted to embellish the opening of my little box, so I'm using some baker's twine, and I also die cut a tiny snowflake from the Winter Wonderland Christmas Bauble set. I'm going to put my baker's twine through that little hole over there, and then I'm just going to tie a really nice bow. So you could put little presents inside of this gift box, or you could put like really delicious treats for Christmas inside of it as well. So there you go, that finishes up my quick and easy gift box featuring the Winter Wonderland Christmas Bauble set. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Tonic Studios YouTube channel for more inspiration. Thanks for watching, bye bye!